Having trouble with WhatsApp not sending messages on your Android phone? No need to stress. I've got you covered. This issue is usually caused by a network glitch or a restriction problem, but with my easy fixes, you'll be back to messaging in no time. Let's dive right in. But before diving in, swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control panel. Then turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. This will restart your network and fix any temporary glitch. After that, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, ensure your router is working properly. You can switch it off and on to fix temporary issues. Now see if the messages are sending or not. If the issue persists, try out these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check internet restrictions. Your WhatsApp might not have all the permissions needed to use the internet, which is causing this problem. So tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your app settings. Now tap on mobile data usage or similar options. Some phones will have this option labeled data usage details. Ensure background data and unrestricted data usage are enabled. And if you have options saying disable Wi-Fi or disable data, make sure to toggle it off. But after that, check your issue again. Solution 2. Clear cache and give permission. Corrupt cache can sometimes cause this issue, so if you clear it, your problem should be fixed. To do this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Go to permissions and make sure all the permissions are given to WhatsApp. For example, the music and audio permissions, location permissions, phone permissions, and so on. When that is done completely, close WhatsApp and restart your phone. After the restart, the problem should be fixed. And that's how you can fix the WhatsApp messages not sending issue on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips like this.